When a glacier melts, it sets off a domino effect in Earth's climate, triggering feedback loops that accelerate warming far beyond the initial loss of ice. When ice retreats, it exposes darker land and ocean surfaces that absorb far more solar energy, reducing Earth's albedo and amplifying atmospheric warming. That additional heat doesn't just melt more glaciers, it disrupts major climate regulators like the Atlantic meridional overturning circulation, which depends on cold, dense water sinking near Greenland. As meltwater dilutes and warms the North Atlantic, it weakens this conveyor belt of global heat distribution, destabilizing weather patterns from monsoon timing to European storm systems. Even more alarming, glacier retreat unlocks ancient carbon reservoirs that have been frozen for thousands of years. As ice thaws, it exposes permafrost and trapped organic matter that begin releasing methane. This greenhouse gas is more than 80 times stronger than CO2 over 20 years, and creates what scientists describe as a powerful climate time bomb. This methane release accelerates warming, which melts more ice, which releases more methane. It becomes a classic doomsday feedback loop. In other words, glaciers aren't passive victims of climate change. They're load-bearing pillars of planetary stability. As they disappear, they turn from guardians into amplifiers, supercharging global warming in ways the public still vastly underestimates. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe for more.